Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best digital kitchen scales on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale with LCD display. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale is a compact and precise tool for everyday cooking and baking. It features an easy-to-read LCD display and a stainless steel platform that is easy to clean. With a maximum capacity of 11 pounds and high-precision sensors, it provides accurate measurements in grams, ounces, and pounds. The tare function allows you to weigh ingredients without including the container's weight. Its slim design makes it easy to store, and it runs on included batteries for convenience. Ideal for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable kitchen scale. Number 2 is the Greater Goods High Capacity Kitchen Scale. The Greater Goods High Capacity Kitchen Scale is a versatile and reliable tool designed for both everyday cooking and more demanding food preparation. With a high weight capacity of up to 22 pounds, it is perfect for measuring large portions, meal prep, or baking ingredients with precision. The easy-to-read backlit LCD display provides clear measurements in grams, ounces, and pounds, ensuring accuracy for any recipe. Its sleek stainless steel surface is durable and easy to clean, while the responsive touch buttons make operation simple. The tare function allows you to subtract the weight of bowls or containers for precise ingredient measurements. Designed with a slim profile, it is easy to store when not in use. This scale is a great choice for home cooks, bakers, and anyone who needs a dependable and high-capacity kitchen scale. And to finish, the first position goes to the large digital kitchen scale Rujixu. The Rujixu Large Digital Kitchen Scale is a high-precision tool designed for both home and professional use. With a maximum capacity of 33 pounds, it is ideal for measuring large ingredients, meal prep, and baking. The bright LCD display ensures easy readability, while the stainless steel platform provides durability and easy cleaning. It offers multiple measurement units, including grams, ounces, and pounds, for versatile use in any recipe. The tare function allows you to subtract the weight of containers for accurate ingredient measurements. This scale can be powered by batteries or a power adapter, adding convenience and flexibility. Its sleek and modern design makes it a practical addition to any kitchen, offering reliable and precise measurements for a variety of cooking needs. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 digital kitchen scales that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.